Hello, everyone. My name is Jonathan Philippe, and it's a pleasure for me to be presenting this amazing topic. Let me start off by asking this question. Have you ever been the victim of a scam? Have you ever been in a situation where you were the victim of a cyber attack? If your answer is yes, then it is most likely for you to understand how stressful it can be. It is most likely for you to understand how frustrating it can be to be the victim of a scam. And guess what? AI is making it more easier for cybercrime to occur. And it will continue on growing until something is done to deal with that. That's the reason why I chose this topic from the Wall Street Journal, is because I know it is a growing concern and it is current and it is related to each and every one of us. Our presentation will be focusing on three main points that will summarize the entire article. The first point will be efficiency. Second point will be accessibility. And lastly, psychological manipulation. Let's dive into our first point. The increase of risk for cyber attacks due to an increase in AI efficiency. AI is dramatically increasing the efficiency of cyber attacks. Today, AI has the potential to generate phishing messages that look like legitimate emails. It also creates deepfake audios and videos of individual that allows scammers to impersonate individual better. Imagine looking at yourself, looking at a picture of you or video of you doing something and it's not true. Yes, that's what AI has the potentiality to do. Those tools give cyber criminals more ways to deceive victims, and they allow attacks to happen faster and at a higher scale. And as these tools become more advanced, they also become more accessible. And that leads us to our second point. Who can attack? With all these tools that are available to the common people, you no longer need technical degrees. You no longer need to have knowledge on the subject to be a scammer, to be a hacker, which means that there is a higher risk for us individuals to be the victim of a scam. Because with all of these AI tools that are available to the public, anyone can be a scammer, just as anyone can be a potential victim. And while technical skills are becoming less important, psychological manipulation is becoming more powerful, which brings us to our third point. Or AI enhances psychological manipulation techniques used in cyber crimes. AI doesn't just help, scammers create content. It also helps them understand you as an individual. AI has the potentiality to analyze, social media activity of someone, and then generate content and then generate messages that resonate to that personality. Scammer also use AI to trigger emotional reaction, especially fear and urgency, which makes people more likely to fall for scam. This combination of personalization and emotional pressure makes the AI powered scam far more convincing. Because AI targets human vulnerabilities, it changes the entire nature of cybercrime and create new challenges and for protecting ourselves. In conclusion, AI is making cybercrime more credible and more accessible. Scammer now have access to AI to use psychology to exploit emotion from an individual and then attack them based on their emotion. And as AI continue to grow more powerful, concern about safety and protection is also rising. It's clear that we need stronger protection and greater awareness to stay safe in this new digital world. Thank you for listening to me. I will be happy to take questions and feedback. Thank you.